So here's a problem that faces a lot of homeowners from time to time, and that is algae, moss, lichen, or bacteria that discolors your roof. A lot of insurance carriers don't really like this, and as a homeowner, it doesn't look that great. Recently, I decided to have my roof cleaned, and the contractor that's doing my roof right now did this section right here, and you can see in this upper left hand corner where he hasn't got to yet. He had to stop the other day because there was thunderstorms and lightning, so we had to get off his lift made of metal. But you can see I have minor discoloration here. My roof faces true north, and the front of the house does not get a whole lot of sun to burn off that moisture, and over time it has just developed a little bit of streaking, and that's that bacteria. The roof is architectural shingle, it's in great shape, but that discoloration that's there, we're in the process of getting rid of that. This is a good thing to do to prevent this further buildup of mosses, lichens, and algae on your roof. And again, it's a thing that eventually will deteriorate your roof over time, and insurance carriers don't like to see that too much. And as homeowners, it doesn't look that great either. So this section right here will get cleaned tomorrow. We'll see how that comes out. So the roof cleaning resumes. Just rinsing off some of the debris on the lower sides of the house right now. Pretty soon he's going to move up over to the left side of the roof and do this other side of the dormer and the top part of the roof. And I'll have some other pictures later from the final product with everything finished up. Well, I had the last of the roof cleaned. All the streaking is gone from the roof. Any small lichens that I had on the roof are completely gone. And the roof looks like it had just been installed. So this is, it's looking great. I'm very happy with it. I would use the service again. So here's a good example of some basic house maintenance and the results. All right, see you guys later.